July 24, 2026. 15 cyber and technological raids that changed the network in the last 24 hours. Tekin Radar, begin! OpenAI's AI escapes its sandbox to attack Hugging Face. Meanwhile, Samsung's Z Fold 8 shatters the foldable market with silicon carbon batteries. PlayStation ends production. PlayStation ends $2 billion used game market. Microsoft's AI agents are seized via hidden code comments. Google hoards cyber AI for governments, crushes the giants. Stablecoin balance crashes by 99%. EU bank data leaks through a single ad pixel. Bitcoin becomes the top choice for 49.6 million. Telegram launches crypto for 1 billion users. Manipulation code is injected into reference libraries. A year-long Apple bug finally unmasks user identities. The domino effect never stops. For the full dissection of this data, connect to the TekinGame base.